All right, we're back at it with our 442 project. In the last video, you saw the body come off of the frame. Now we're on the rotisserie, waiting by the door, but it looks like it's going to be maybe another 2 weeks till I can get this to sandblasting. My sandblaster is busy with some other things and can't get to it, so that body's probably going to go down in the storage unit to get out of the way while we continue to work on this, which you can see the rear is already out of it. We've also discussed with the customer possibly putting a posi rear in it, not changing the gear ratio. It does have a highway style gear in it, but he would like change to possibly to posi traction. That's fine. It all comes down to what the customer wants. As you can see, we got a couple parts down on the ground as well. That stuff, the springs and the sway bar, that'll go along to powder coating. All the suspension arms and such, and the front A-arms and lower control arms and all that, those will all get the bushings, pressed out and replaced with new. Obviously after the stuff goes out for sandblasting and powder coating. Steering box is taken off. That might be getting changed as well, depending on what the ratio comes back as and if we change it or if the customer chooses to change it. Disc brakes are going on this car, so those awful looking things will be gone. But we're still waiting for that kit to come in. The rear is also getting disc brakes, and those actually are already here, or the customer has them, but they could be in our possession if we wanted to. Overall, the condition of the frame is, I'd say, better than average. Usually these holes where the body mount biscuits go, they're usually a mess. There's one over there that is a little blown out. It's a little bigger than normal, but it's not an issue. So we got, what do we got down here on the ground? Some old brake lines, fuel lines, what have you. All that's getting replaced, obviously. Yeah, that's a fuel line because that's where the fuel line comes through the frame there, and that's what's left of it. And that's what she's looking like. So it's Thursday, the 2nd of December, and we're hoping that by early next week, this thing will be going down for sandblasting and powder coating. Keep this project moving. But for now, we're going to keep tearing stuff down and try and getting it done. So as always, thanks for tuning in to DTR's YouTube channel. We hope you enjoy the video. We hope you might have learned something. If you have any questions or comments, always leave them in the comment section below. Thanks to all who've subscribed to the channel. Really do appreciate it. So with that, I'd like to say thanks again, and we'll see you in the next video.